Hey guys, samahan niyo ako kunin yung iPhone 17 Pro ko from Bello. Grabe, it's already been a week pero di pa rin ako makapaniwala na nanalo ako ng iPhone and na-meet ko pa talaga si Dr. Vicky Bello in person. Actually, dapat isi-ship lang nila yung iPhone pero sinabi ko talaga if pwedeng kunin namin personally with my mom since fan kami ni Dr. Bello and gusto din sana namin magpa-picture. Shoutout pala sa Bello Nexa team, sobrang warm and accommodating nila. Nag-congratulate din sila sa akin which was so nice. Grabe guys, di ko ma-explain yung kaba ko habang kausap ko si Dr. Bello. Nag-prepare pa naman ako ng script pero in the end, nagchikahan lang kami about life. Oh, di ba? Very fast talk with Dr. Vicky Bello yung vibes. Pero jokes aside, sobrang down to earth and light man niya kausap. Napaka-camera shy ko pa naman and mukha lang akong okay pero actually gusto ko na lang mag-play dead sa sobrang kaba. Pero she was so accommodating and made me feel comfy. Anyways, super big shout out to Sammy for organizing everything pala. She's Dr. Bello's social media manager. This wouldn't have been possible without her. At syempre, di talaga nagpapatalo yung mom ko. May moment talaga din siya with Dr. Bello which made her day naman. If andito pa kayo, thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako while making this content and feel ko it's something that I want to keep doing in the future. Thank you also Bello for such an unforgettable experience. This is definitely one for the books. Happy New Year everyone!